The Invoice Percentages tool allows you to create custom milestones and put a percentage against each milestone. When you set up these milestones, it allows your users to be able to select those milestones at the invoice level and will automatically calculate all of the line items. This is handy if you take deposits and have different milestone payments throughout the opportunity process. In order to use the tool, we need to activate it first of all. In the percentage types to show, we can set preset, custom, or both. If we use preset, we will use our table down the bottom to create those different milestones. If we use the custom option, it allows us to type in a percentage at the invoice level, for example 73%, and it will calculate those line items. Or we can display both options on the invoice. In this example, I'll use preset only. Once that is set, I need to actually set up my milestones. So I'm going to click New. I'm going to type deposit. And I'm going to say that this is 20% of my line items. Then I'll click Save. I'm then going to continue and build out the rest of my presets. Okay, I've just gone through and built out the rest of those presets. If I move over to my invoice, you'll now see that there's an invoice percentage milestone drop down with all of those milestones displayed. Just take note of the current unit price at $150. I'm now going to change this to be a 20% deposit, which is changing that unit price to $30. I could then go ahead and create this invoice and sync it over to Xero. When you're ready for the next milestone, you can go and create another invoice, and then you could select the progress payment. You can see that unit price is now updated to $45, or you can update it to the final payment, which is the $75. If you realize that you don't want a milestone in here, you can click None and it will revert back to the original pricing. Going back to the configuration page, I can also use a custom percentage. This means if I go over to my invoice page, you'll see there's now a custom percentage box here where I could type in any percentage that I like, for example 73, and it will automatically calculate that unit price based on that percentage. Going back to configuration, we can again adjust this to also show both boxes on the invoice page.